Alright, limit problem number 2. Again, notice if we directly substituted in -2, which should be our first thing we should try when evaluating a limit. If we did, we'd get -2 plus 11, so we'd end up with 9 in that square root. Square root of 9 is 3, so we get 3 minus 3. So the top would go to 0, and the bottom we get -2 plus 2 is 0. We'd again get indeterminate form, so we would not be able to evaluate this limit at this point. So we need to try another technique. We need to rationalize the numerator now. So that means we need to take the current numerator, square root of x plus 11 minus 3. We need to take that current numerator and we need to multiply that by its conjugate. So the square root of x plus 11 plus 3. We want to do that, so in order to do that, we need to multiply the denominator by that as well. So we still have that x plus 2, but we're also multiplying by x plus 11 plus 3 in the denominator as well. The reason we like that is because in the numerator, when you multiply conjugates together, you get the first term squared. So the square root of x plus 11, we're squaring that, so we're getting x plus 11. We get that minus the second term squared, so 3 squared is 9, so minus 9. That over that same denominator. So I still have this big, long, messy denominator, but look what happens in the top. I have x plus 11 minus 9, so 11 minus 9 can be simplified to just a plus 2. So I have an x plus 2 in the top and an x plus 2 in the bottom, which they will cancel each other out. That's our whole. We found it. We removed it, and we're just left with that 1 over square root of x plus 11 plus 3. So we can rewrite this limit as the limit as x approaches -2 of this. Ooh! Sorry, I cut myself off there. The limit as x approaches -2 of what we just simplified, so 1 over the square root of x plus 11 plus 3. Now we can directly substitute in to get 1 over the square root of -2 plus 11. Plus 3. And of course, -2 plus 11 is 9, square root of 9 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and so we get our limit of 1/6.